Chapter 7 Onam, the Harvest Festival of Kerala. India celebrates different kinds of festivals throughout the year. Some festivals are celebrated by all the people of the country and some by certain people. Some festivals are celebrated on special events like ripening or harvesting the crops. These festivals are called harvest festivals. Holi, Basant Panchami, Baisakhi, Onam, Pongal, etc. are some harvest festivals. Onam is the greatest festival of Kerala. It is celebrated as the harvest festival of this state. According to the lunar calendar, the festival of Onam falls in Shravan Bhadrapada, that is around August-September. During these months, nature is at its best. The rains are over, the trees look fresh and clean, and there is greenery all around. The days are sunny and the air is refreshing. The paddy is freshly harvested. It is a time for celebrations as it is time for Onam. Preparations for the Onam festival begins well in advance. People clean their houses and plaster their courtyards with cow dung. Two little, well-decorated mounds of earth are placed in the center. These mounds represent Mahabali and Lord Vishnu. The women make floral rangolis at the entrance of their homes. Some people use different colors along with flowers. The festival of Onam is celebrated for 10 days. A family worship is held and prayers are offered. All the members of the family wear new clothes and give gifts to one another. Prayers and pujas are followed with lavish feast with sweet dishes. Besides the family functions, many social functions as well as sporting events are also held during these 10 days. During these social functions, performances of Kathakali, the classical dance of Kerala, is also held. Kathakali dancers enact mythological stories with the help of traditional musical instruments. Among sport events, the most exciting one is the snake boat race. Long and sleek boats are rowed by many people. Thousands of spectators come to watch this race. The story behind Onam goes as follows. Mahabali, the king of Asuras, was the king of Kerala. He was very strong and powerful. His subjects were very happy under his rule. Indra, the king of the Devas, was jealous of Mahabali's popularity. He feared losing his throne to Mahabali, so he went to Lord Vishnu and sought his help in destroying Mahabali. Lord Vishnu agreed to help him. Lord Vishnu took the form of a dwarf Brahmin called Vaman and went to the palace of Mahabali. The soldiers took him to the court. Seeing a holy man, Mahabali welcomed him. Vaman said, I have heard about you far and wide that you help everybody. I am also told that you are a friend of the poor. How can I help you, Vaman? Said Mahabali. I shall do whatever I can to fulfill your wish. Rajan, I am a Brahmin and my needs are few. All I want is a piece of land as much as I can cover in 3 steps. Vaman said, Your wish will be granted, but what you will do with such a tiny piece of land? Mahabali asked in surprise. Vaman smiled and in the next moment he started growing in size. He grew and grew. He grew until he was as big as the universe. In 2 steps, he covered the entire earth and the heaven. Then he turned to Mahabali and said, Rajan, now that I have covered the whole earth and heaven in 2 steps, tell me where I should put my 3rd step. Mahabali realized that the Vaman was none other than Lord Vishnu in disguise, but he could not go back from his words. Take your 3rd step and place your foot on my head, he said. Vaman put his foot on Mahabali's head. He pushed Mahabali down and down until he reached the hell. Then Vaman said, Mahabali, you have always fulfilled the wishes of the people. Now I want to grant you one wish. What do you want? Mahabali said, I want to be allowed to visit my people once a year. So to welcome their king Mahabali, the people of Kerala celebrate Onam. He visits his kingdom once every year at the time of Onam. Be wordy.